Welcome to AG's Kitchen Time. Subscribe and share, like and comment. Today I will make badusha. To make badusha, we need sugar, maida flour, elaichi, clove, baking soda, yogurt and ghee. Take one bowl, add 2 cups sugars and 1 cup water. Add elaichi, boil it for 10 minutes in medium flame to make sugar syrup. To make badusha, add 1 cup maida flour, add 2 spoon ghee, add 2 spoon yogurt, and sugar 1 spoon, baking soda little bit. Mix it well. Add water. Mix them well and make dough. Take dough, cut them into 4 pieces. Take one piece and make roll of that. Take one roll and cut as per direction. Take one piece, press by using palm, make small dot in middle. Heat the oil. Check whether oil is heat or not. Fry the badusha. Sugar syrup is ready. Deep fry the badusha till its color change, turn into golden color. Now badusha is ready. Pour into sugar syrup for 15 minutes. You can also freeze it. Now badusha is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the video.